Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is Monday today. I'm all dressed. Had a bit of a wash. Washed my hair, so I'm all fine now. I've got this video uploading for you today from yesterday. So if you like it, give it a massive thumbs up. It was called Try Not to Burp Challenge. So if you like it, smash the like button. And how you all doing today? What are your plans for today? Let me know in the comments what you're doing on your bank holiday Monday. Got a few ideas for you today. It's a nice day. Blue sky everywhere. What I'm doing now, I'm just gonna write on some stuff that I need for this video, and then once I've done that, I'll let you know what we are doing. So let's go. Right, that's all done. I've wrote down 10 things, as you can see, and we're gonna stick these to the wall. NERF. Had this NERF gun for about 2 years, and I thought, here it is. I thought, let's use this for today. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to get 5 shots, my mum's going to get 5 shots, and whoever hits the most out of the 5 shots, whoever hits any of these foods or drinks, later on we are going to blend them all up and try and drink. What's she doing? She's kicking it. What is she doing? What are you doing? Just kicking into apples? Yeah. This apple tree has apples on, obviously it has apples on, and they all fell on the floor, and mum's for some reason kicking all of them.
I scared the birds, sorry.
Right, you scared the birds?
I did, the flew off.
Oh, poor birds. Here he is. Right, you see? My dad's going to shuffle them all up for us.
You've got to turn around.
Let's turn around.
Turn around. Well, just look at the
I'll show you what he's doing so you know we're not cheating. He's putting them on there for us. We've got 10 things in there. What do you think you're going to do? Alright.
Nah.
Shooting, you're awful at shooting, ain't you?
Nah.
Awful at shooting.
I'm picking mine up off the floor.
You're picking yours off the floor?
Yeah.
I think I will be too. I bought this from Skeggy about 3 years ago, and first time I've used it within about 2 years, so I thought I'm going to get it out today, see how it is. Look at all that, I've got 10 there. Mum's going to go first. Not. Yeah, hold that. So we've got 10 shots, well 5 shots each. Make sure.
Oh!
Did that hit?
It.
Did that hit? Right,
No.
Keep going, keep going. 5 shots.
Oh,
Did that hit? No?
No!
That didn't hit, no. So you can have 10 more, because it might be alright with 10. Oh, that hit, no? Come on, 4 out of 4 you missed so far. Keep going.
You don't want to do it, did you?
Keep going.
You don't want to do it, I'm aiming.
Ooh, that was close.
Oh, it's it, you got to hold it high up, I've not found. Oh.
That did it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'll be able to look.
One more.
Oh, I think that did.
Did that one, did you? Right, hold on. What is it? What is it, ready? This one's for me.
Mayo.
Mayo.
Oh,
That's one of the worst ones for me.
How many have you had?
Take this one down then.
1, 2,
I've got mayo.
6, 7, 8, 9. I've had 10.
10, so you got 1 for me so far.
Wow.
My turn, no, my turn. That one's mine. Do you want to hold this? Make sure you get me as well. Well, it's my turn.
Yeah then. You probably got a better position.
I've got 10 here left, I think we have. I've got mayo so far.
I'll get Jason as well.
See what, they are quite hard actually.
Yeah, thanks.
That one hit.
Did it? I can't tell from here.
That one hit, Mum, you know?
No, it didn't. No.
That one
Yay,
did.
come on.
Got that one. Do you know what it is? Tell me what.
Let's have a look.
What is it for my mum then?
It is. Ooh. Prawn cracker crisp.
Prawn cracker crisp.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
How many more have I got left? I've used 5 more, I think.
No.
That one did, didn't it?
No.
No? One more. That's it. Right, I'm gonna...
How many you got left?
That's a few more
Our
shots.
second round.
Yeah, second round.
Yeah.
1 out of 10, so we're going to have 1 more go. Oh, get more things to do. better. One.
Yeah.
That one hit. Did it? Okay.
Yeah, second one.
I'll do the honours. What is it? Bread. I got bread.
Bread.
Alright.
I got bread.
Wait.
Yeah.
Which one was it?
That one.
Yeah, you're doing well. This one.
No.
The chocolate buttons I
Oh.
got. Yeah, quite a lot this time. Got chocolate buttons. That's not too bad.
Right, what's one for now? I think I've done that.
No, didn't miss that. No. No.
Bloody hell.
No. Bloody hell.
Yeah.
You only hit, did it?
Yeah.
Oh no, what is it? This one? Have a look then. What is it? Biscuits. I spelt it wrong for starter. Put a U instead of an I.
Oh.
Oh yeah, biscuits.
Biscuits. I got biscuits. Spelled it with a U instead of an I.
Right, how many more
Last
have we
shot in
got?
it.
Last one.
One more shot.
No.
No. 3 out of 10 there, which weren't too bad.
Hey,
my turn
go
then.
better.
Right. There. Oh, there you are. Got it, Tom.
Go on.
Got that one, didn't I?
Yeah, close
No.
enough.
We'll let you have that one. Real day. Oh God.
Right.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. That ain't too bad though. Tomato sauce.
Oh,
Got that one as well.
Eat that one.
What's that one then?
Fritos.
Fritos.
Your
That's
favourite.
my favourite. Right, I've got 3 more shots. One more. That's it, I think then.
Is that your lot then?
That's it. So let's see what you've got then. Then we'll do it later on because Mum's going to nip out for a bit. Then we'll do it later on tonight. She won't get away with it though. She won't get away with it. So
Fritos.
that was yours.
Tomato sauce.
That one was yours.
Prawn crackers.
That was yours, weren't it?
I thought the Wheatos were your shape.
No, it's just,
Oh.
she just hit. I just hit it then, didn't I? That
Bread.
was mine. Yeah,
Right,
I
mayo.
love mine. Huh?
Mayo.
Mayo,
Chocolate buttons and
Chocolate-
biscuits.
biscuits. Yeah. So we've got 4 each.
I've got 3.
Mum's got 3. But yeah, that's not too bad though. Mum beat me then. She got 3. I only got 3. So let's see what got left. So the worst ones got butter,
Oh.
which we'll leave that one because these are the ones we didn't hit. Vinegar, that would have been a bad one. Oh, we should hit that one now. The last one is a golden syrup, if I remember right. Golden syrup.
Tell you what, I think we've got the better ones.
Yeah. Yeah.
Golden syrup, yeah, we've got the better ones, I think. Vinegars would have been awful. Vinegar.
Wheatos, that'd have been alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, she got Ritos, yeah. She got pretty. Oh, what a vinegar, man. So, these are the
Well,
three.
no, no, we'll just one really. 'cause it's
These
all
are the 3 we had left, so we're going to put these in the bin. We've got our things for later on, which we'll do them later on because Mum's going to nip out for a bit and then make sure we do it tonight.
I don't think I will with you.
You are going to do it though, you are going to do
Not
it.
much chance of that.
You are gonna do
You
it.
got the 3, you got the 4.
That's not fair. You're going to do it though, make sure of it. Right, the thing now to do is tidy up now, so.
What do I like tidying up to do?
Also, right guys, if you enjoyed that little segment to this vlog, ooh, I cut my finger on it by the way, guys. I cut my finger on the gun. Anyway, if you enjoyed the little segment, guys, give it a massive thumbs up, and we will be doing the drinks later on. My mum's nipped out to my sister's right now, so like tonight or something, I'll do it tonight with her. That's obviously the name of the game, that is, guys. Pick what food and drink you're having, and then mix them all up and drink them. So make sure we do it, guys. Make sure we do it. If you enjoyed it, guys, smash the like button. Share with your friends or family. I'm just going to pick Beth up because she's at home right now and it's a bank holiday Monday. Back here today for some dinner. So we're just going to chill here for a bit and then, yeah, have a chill day. Charlie's not been fed yet. The cat is still here. You know, he wants food. He wants food, guys. So, right, guys, I'll see you when I am back here. Probably about half an hour or so. So, see a minute. About 3 hours ago, we got back. There's a massive fan down. Got this massive fan down here today from my room. And then we've got some dinner now. We've got some dinner now, and this door's open because it's too hot today. got my shorts on, watching a film called, what's it called?
A series called Atypical.
Atypical. I've got a dinner now too, so just have some dinner. I've got Sunday dinner today, look at this. Sunday dinner. Ooh, nice. On a Monday though, it should be a Sunday, but it's on a Monday, so. That's all finished now. We've just got some chicken left over for the cat. As you can see it here, so we're going to give it. Do the honours for us? Do you want to do it? Be careful, bite your hand off. Really nice, because I left him some of my chickens because I'm really nice to the cat sometimes. So, keep going. Oh, whoa! You bit your hand off, man. Try again. That's
Nicely.
you can't. This cat takes it nice, but Charlie, if he doesn't at your hand, it will literally bite your hand off. It just seen then, he just did then to Bethany there. You're risky, you are. Bloody hell. But yeah, I know it. What's that? I'd just throw it into the grass. I do that. Quick before he bites me.
He's harmless.
He's not honest. He bites your finger off like that. You see what he did?
Is the swing bench wet?
No, it's your fault. I signed it yesterday. Ooh.
Charlie.
Let's go then.
Enjoying his chicken.
He is. Let's sit on this nice little bench and in a swing chair, not a bench. Oh, that's better.
Sure.
Yeah, signed it yesterday. That's nice. So my boxes on the line here, drying, so I can't show you my boxes.
Hey.
Ooh, quick.
I have a tail.
Oh, quick. Huh? You have a tail. Charlie, come here. Wait. He's here. I've just at best now. I'm not sure if I told you today, but I'm going for MOT tonight and to take it down to my garage place tonight. So what we're doing now is just hose washing it with this Karcher. Best doing all the soap.
Hey, I said don't film me.
Best doing all the soap now. Look, there's the Karcher. Oh, is it working? I think it's broke. Oh no, what's happened? Oh no, that's better. Oh. I think it's broke. I can't seem to find out what's happened to it. I just think it's probably.
Hold this, babe.
Yes. Right, false alarm, got it to work. Best one didn't actually turn the tap on. It's all fine now though, all fine. The best bit is getting all the water on it after all the soap. Look at all this soap we've got so far. The reason why I'm doing it now because I've got all this bird bob on my car.
Not
Look there.
now.
There it is. Bird poo, so I thought I might as well clean
No,
it.
it's not coming off though.
What is it? It ain't chewing gum, is it?
Probably is.
Imagine.
You know what?
I think it is.
It is.
I think it is chewing gum, isn't it? Yeah, you know what? It's chewing
Oh
gum.
my god, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's awful.
How's that?
Is it coming off? Yeah. Someone put chewing gum on my car. It wasn't me. I didn't do it. Whoever it was, don't know. But it should come off though. It should come off now. But we've just got to get all the soap off first. Oh wow, that's so cool. I've been wanting to use one of these for about 4 years. It's so cool to have. But it's very wet though. Finally get to use one after all this time. Best one will save the day again. Oh boy. Look at that, it looks clean now. One side nearly finished.
Oh, the other side.
Yeah, there we are.
Oh, yeah. Oh. No. Twist the thing, the end. Now spray. You broke it completely. Now try. Give it here. Take two. First time. You're going to have to come round the front to do the other side.
Try now.
What?
Good.
Yeah, but stop it first.
Right, you know what time it is for now, don't you? We've got this blender set up. We are going to do all our things we got today. So Mum's got 3 things to put in, including water. Then so we need water to blend it all up. So obviously water's not an option, but that's a must thing to have. So do you want to go first?
I should go first.
They're yours.
Out of the way. That's
So what we got is, yeah, you got 3 there.
So I've got to do them 3.
Yeah, these are mine for me. These are the ones you got.
Yeah.
I've got 4 there, you see.
We ain't got any prawn crackers.
Here we have.
Yeah, look.
Prawn cracker crisp.
Oh, okay.
I checked for all these earlier.
We
So we've got prawn crackers, we've got Weetos, cereal sort of stuff, and then what's the other one? Tomato sauce and water. Ugh.
Lovely.
That's going to be awful. That'd be enough. Keep going.
No, God.
So it is. Oh, it is. Look at that. It's worked. Keep going. Keep going. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Good then. Let me smell it. Prawn crackers, man. Look at that. That's it.
I can't really eat that. I drink it.
I'll let you drink that. Dad, you try it, Dad? You want to try it, ready?
Oh no.
Just a little. I think I'll get it to do with this video. You have to drink it all, though. You have to drink it all, you know. Just a little bit, just like.
Oh no, prawn crackers. No, that's vile.
Well, I don't know why I'm laughing though, it's my turn, so.
That is vile.
You try it, Dad? You don't want it? Just do it, come on.
No.
Just do it, come on, just try it.
God.
I don't want your
Just
video.
have a sip.
I don't want your
just have a
video, but that's going to try it now, just for fun. Come on, you can't hold your nose. Don't hold your nose. You're drinking it all. You drink it all, damn bloody yeah.
You're just showing off now.
Oh my god.
Disgusting, isn't it?
That is horrible.
Really?
That is disgusting.
My turn now.
Yeah, then you put yours
This is
in.
me. You do this for me. That's how I do it. It's okay. Mayonnaise first. Got chocolate buttons, which chocolate buttons 18.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still got a whole bunch of taste in the mouth.
Still got it. Ooh, it's melty. That's good though. And last one is biscuits. I started with a B.
Biscuits.
B-U. Cookies ain't too bad though.
Yeah, you get the good stuff. I feel sick. Look.
One more small one. Put this one in. Look at that.
Look at that. What's it smell
One of the worst
like?
choices I've ever done in my life. It's probably one of the worst ones
Put
I've
the
ever
camera
done.
over it.
Drop it in it.
Smells nice though.
Smells better than mine.
Chocolate milkshake.
It's alright. That is horrible. Actually, it's not. Actually,
Me mind up.
yeah. It's horrible. Try it.
Oh no.
Try.
I didn't taste yours.
Try yours.
Didn't get it.
Dad, honestly, mine ain't too bad. It's. Come on. Come.
Oh no.
Open it. Oh.
Oh, man with the worst. You got away looking.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, man. That's mank.
Sitting there.
Yeah, look.
Right, I shouldn't do that anymore.
Right, that is it. Right, guys. I'm just in bed right now. Which means we're going to end the vlog right here. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Share with your friends and family. And, yeah, that's it from me today, guys. So I'll see you on probably Thursday. So for now, guys, stay positive. Keep your head held high. Keep pushing forward. Keep pushing forward. Good. Oh, my eyes are so dark. Oh, good. Good night, guys. Bye.